So Camp Lux was so nice enough to send me this tabletop propane grill, and we are about to fire it up and make something delicious.
Okay, so I have to say, this thing is perfect for outdoor cooking. We're out here in front of my dad's camper making dinner. We've got some beef kebabs, vegetable kebabs, and some turkey breasts that we're going to put on the grill. What I love most about this grill is that it is super easy to set up and use. It runs on propane, so you can just hook it up and you're ready to start cooking. No charcoal, no waiting around, just instant heat. The cooking surface is really nice for a portable grill, so you can cook a full meal at once, which is perfect when you're feeding family or friends while camping. And my family loves to go camping, and this is exactly the kind of grill that we'll be taking with us on all of our trips. It's compact enough for travel, but still powerful enough to cook a real meal. And honestly, this would be great for camping, RV trips, tailgating, picnics, or just cooking outside in the backyard. And as you can see, the kebabs are coming out absolutely delicious and everything is cooking beautifully. It's nice to have the propane grill because you can control the temperature, which is a plus. Look at the beautiful sear on these kebabs. And I also want to point out and show that if you have a camper that has one of these side tables, this grill fits perfectly. This CAMPLUX tabletop grill is definitely perfect for all outdoor adventures.